Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by locating the history itself so you can act intentionally. First, open the app or site and sign into the account that holds the data. This ensures you don't delete the wrong history. Once you see library, history, or account activity, pause and scan the entries to confirm what should be removed. Make sure to note whether history is synced across devices because deleting locally may still leave cloud copies. This matters when deciding the next steps. Now you'll remove specific entries or batches depending on what you scanned. You can tap checkboxes, swipe items away, or open the three-dot menu to select single or multiple videos. This preserves anything you want to keep. When you choose delete or remove, confirm any prompts. These prevent accidental loss. If available, use date filters or type filters to target a range. And remember, device-specific history may require repeating this process. To finish, use clear all or an equivalent option to erase every entry if that's your goal, and consider pausing history afterward to prevent new entries. Once done, refresh the page and check another device or an incognito window to confirm the history is gone. If items reappear, sign out everywhere, clear browser/app cache, and revoke any linked app permissions, then repeat the deletion. This resets sync conflicts and ensures you've truly removed the watch history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.